Sure, here is a script for your YouTube video. Hey there, today we're diving into a fascinating problem that many might not even realize exists in the world of fonts. Have you ever wondered why there seems to be a separate font for every script imaginable, despite the existence of Unicode? Well, the thing is, the current font format has a limitation of 65,536 unique glyphs per file. This includes all the variations needed for more complex scripts, resulting in far fewer than 65,536 characters per font. Quite the problem, right? Now, let's talk about the solution. The reason we have such a plethora of fonts is because having a font for each script ensures that all characters are accurately represented. This is crucial when it comes to maintaining the integrity and authenticity of different writing systems. Additionally, the sheer size of fonts that encompass multiple scripts can be quite massive, with some reaching over 200 megabytes. Imagine the loading time. Web use often involves subsetting these fonts to reduce file size, ensuring smoother user experience. So, the solution lies in having specialized fonts for each script. To sum it all up, the font dilemma boils down to the need for accuracy and efficiency in displaying diverse writing systems. It's fascinating how something as seemingly simple as fonts can pose such intricate challenges. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. And as always, keep fontastic.